My water tank was being like this. As you can check out, my water tank is leaking the water, as you can check out. And I made this video before trying many things, and I found that a few didn't work with me, and a last thing I found that worked very well with me. I'm sorry to say that I didn't made any video of the process, because I think that it's not gonna work with me, and I thought that I have to purchase a new tank. So before purchasing, I just give a try. But I purchased a tube, liquid tube for one part and one and two parts, and matched them and mixed them and applied them, but they didn't work. And I tried to use this type of products. So there are two sand like thing, that is soil or sand, and I just mixed them both and tried to apply. That didn't work me for a while too. It didn't work. Now after that, I purchased this product, and this just solved my problem. How I applied and what's the result, I gonna show you in my mobile phone after a few seconds. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. And if you want to buy this product, you can check out in the link provided in the description below. This is a plastic repairing patch, or we can call it a puncture. And using this patch, I found the solution. Before that, I just sanded out the space. As you can check out the white area, this is the water tank plastic on this sandpaper. I purchased a sandpaper, and after that sanded out the space according to the more than this patch size. And I want to make the surface lightly stickable. It's not should be a plain surface, it should be little rough surface. So after that, I took out the patch, and after that, I using a iron clipper, I clipped that patch and started boiling using a candle. You can boil or make it hot using any candle, any lamp, any fire thing. If you want, whatever easily you can get, you can use any kapoor in Indian thing, that is kapoor. You can use to make a fire for a while. I used that and clipped and started boiling it, and after a few seconds, after getting it hot, that patch started melting. And keep in mind that it should not be fall on your hand or in your anywhere. It should be very precise, and it should be very gently should be done, because it's very bad for you too if it's fell on your hands or anywhere. Now after that, it starts melting. You should use tough hand gloves or cotton cloths, and after that, you have to using that clothes, you have to apply on the water tank and just push hardly on the water tank so that it's stick properly. Or if you want to make that patch a little bit of hot more, you can use any kind of fire gun or any kind of lamp, so that it become a little bit of too hot again. And after that, you have to push it again, and after that, leave that water tank for few hours. Keep in mind that before proceeding this process, that water tank should be empty, no water should be inside of that. And one thing also, that you have to empty this water tank before few hours, because there in the leakage there should not be any kind of water, because that water can stop this patch from sticking with the water tank. And after that, I used that sticky product, and I found this result. Before that, I applied these type of products, sealing products. They didn't work with me, But check it out, this product, oh my god, this worked very well for me. And I filled that water tank again with the water, and there are no problem. And this one is also a black sticky thing that I like, sand I applied on that, and this is the result. And I'm using it from few week from 1 week, and it has no leakage till now. So I think that I should share this video with you so that you can get help like water tank leakage. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, not to subscribe, and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.